Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors. Light green color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, red color, brown color, blue color, black color, and purple color, grey color, green color. Let's draw the shapes. Sky blue color, square. Pink color, octagon. Octagon, pink color, octagon. Yellow color, half moon. Red color, circle. Red color, circle. Orange color, rhombus. Orange color, rhombus. Light green color, triangle. Square, octagon, half moon, circle, rhombus and triangle. Bye kids.